Claiborne County
FFW!
until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
And of course the ER-50 don't come in worth a shit.
Flash flooding includes Fremont and La Gloria. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Hold on. Hey. Are they gonna?
The current time is 8:51
Double.
p.m.
Wait, let's go for
Time.
KKTX.
These things that are unthinkable today. Go out and multiple medications and chronic conditions.
Are any stations gonna relay?
45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Near you. The annual Thomas J. Henry Turkey.
Thank you for making me think.
Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches. Ouch. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
You're an insurrection.
Source: radar. Impact:
Anyone gonna relay?
small creeks and streams, urban.
KEYS? Fuck, that's the wrong damn. No way, I don't think anyone's relayed yet. What, were they? Fucking relay, someone!
One of the most important legislatures.
LP1! Shit, I forgot about LP1. I forgot about LP1. Shit. I don't have it as a preset. I don't think it's enough for anyone to relay. I know the flash flood warning when I hear it. Oh, that's WBAP. And to think, I just turned these off, and then boom, flash flood warning.
Beauty of iHeart's network.
Nope, they're not gonna relay. That was a waste of fucking time.
In the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
And just to think, I was just because look, it's actually raining over here right now. Well, hold on. Go! Get past this shit.
Turn around. Don't drown.
See, it's not raining too hard, but that's
Most flood deaths occur in
damn.
vehicles. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for southern Tim Wells County in south central Texas, west central Claiborne County in south central Texas, until 10:45 p.m.
And I think there was actually a... Hold on, let me listen to this again.
10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by...
I apologize, camera angle's off.
Source: radar.
I'm using a device in which the LCD is pretty badly fucked up.
Streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fremont and La Gloria.
Yep, that area was under a flood advisory earlier.
Flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Well, so it begins. Oh, my HH just fell. So it fucking begins.